Hi students, so today we are going to see what is digital marketing, what we are using it for, and what are all the things that we need to know about digital marketing. The current era, the digital marketing holds unprecedented influence over our daily lives, and mastering the art of digital marketing has become imperative for business and individuals alike. Today's rapidly evolving world, businesses are constantly striving to stay ahead of the curve. Digital marketing has emerged as a powerful tool that enables businesses to reach their target audience in a way that was once unimaginable. But what exactly is digital marketing? Okay, let's dive into it now. Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels such as websites, social media, search engines, email, and mobile apps to promote products or services. It encompasses a wide range of components, including search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing, and etc. Let's look into this one by one. At a very high level, I will explain about a few of these topics, get a glimpse of what it is and how it is being used. So the first one is search engine optimization. So search engine is nothing but it's like a Google, a Bing search, and Microsoft we do have Bing, and we have used Yahoo search, and then Baidu, Yandex, DuckDuckGo, AOL search. So there are a lot of search engines like this. So I have listed few of the very popular search engines just for your reference. So what we use the search engines for? So the search engines are optimized and it helps improve the visibility of our website when someone search for it on the internet. By optimizing our website content and structure, the businesses can increase their organic traffic and rank higher in search engine rankings. Say for an example, if you do have a website for your business and the contents are optimized. Now, when a user whoever visits the internet, they are searching for your product or service in the Google search engine. So your product or service will appear on the very first page, so that the user is going to click on one of the 10 links that is appearing on the first page, right? So the customer visits your website and then they get to know about your product or service, and then they can go ahead and purchase your product or service. Okay, that is the use of the search engine optimization. The next one is social media marketing. Social media marketing involves creating and sharing content on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. It helps businesses engage with their target audience, build the brand awareness for their particular brand, product, or service, and drive traffic to their websites. The next one is the content marketing. Content marketing revolves around creating and distributing valuable and relevant content such as blogs, videos, infographics, and ebooks. It helps businesses establish authority, educate their audience, and foster trust with potential customers. As we understood the components now, let's explore the numerous benefits that digital marketing offers to businesses. The first and foremost is increased reach and targeting. Through digital marketing, businesses can expand their reach far beyond their physical locations. They can precisely target their ideal customers based on demographics, interest, and online behaviors, resulting in a more effective and efficient marketing strategy. The next one is cost effectiveness. Digital marketing offers a cost effective alternative to traditional marketing methods. With various digital channels available, businesses can choose the most suitable ones based on their budget and objectives, ensuring maximum return on investment. The next point is real time analytics and measurement. Unlike traditional marketing, digital marketing provides real time analytics and measurement tools. Earlier, you would not be able to see if you have given an advertisement in a TV or radio, you would not be able to measure the effectiveness of the advertisements that you have done. Now, using the digital marketing tools, now you can track and analyze the campaign's performance, enabling the businesses to optimize their strategies based on the accurate data and insights. Now you know the components and benefits, but how do businesses execute an effective digital marketing strategy? Here are few key strategies they can consider. First and foremost is develop a strong online presence. Establishing a compelling online presence is crucial. Businesses should have a professional website, regularly updated social media profiles, and accurate online listings to ensure they are easily discoverable by potential customers. The second most important strategy is that create engaging and relevant content. Content is the king in the digital marketing world now. By consistently producing high quality and engaging content, businesses can attract and retain their target audience, positioning themselves as industry experts and building trust in their brand. The next most important one is utilizing data driven marketing. Now you know that you can get the campaign results, the live data insights using those data driven marketing that involves analyzing customer data to gain insights into customer behavior and preferences. By leveraging this data, businesses can personalize their marketing campaigns, resulting in higher engagement and conversion rates. In conclusion, digital marketing is a powerful and ever evolving marketing strategy that helps businesses connect with their target audience, boost their brand awareness, and drive sales. By understanding its components, benefits, and implementing effective strategies, businesses can unlock a world of opportunities in the digital realm. Thank you for joining us today, and as we explore the exciting world of digital marketing, stay tuned for more insights and tips to thrive in the digital age.